concentrate on the NRM answer, which is all you homesteads engage in producing a good or a service with a chibaro, with chura, aymar, and you sell it. Each homestead. That's what you should be doing. When you go home, you should go around and say how many of you have got involved in wealth creation. So let's discuss how can we transform Uganda without wasting time and in harmony, and how can I help you to get out of those problems you put yourselves in of trying to run constituencies with your private money, so that we really change Uganda.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.